Your brain is a supercomputer capable of complex logic, yet it completely shuts down when someone asks, "Where do you want to eat?" We overthink because we're terrified of being wrong. But guess what? Staying stuck is a choice too, and it's the worst one. So why do decisions feel so hard? What are we really afraid of? And how can learning to decide better quietly change the quality of our lives? What is decision making? At its core, decision making is just professional FOMO. To pick one thing, you have to kill off 100 other maybes. That's why we stay stuck. So, how to make decisions without paralysis? Firstly, accept that there is no perfect choice. The perfect decision is a lie. If you're waiting for a choice with no downside, you'll be waiting forever. Real life is just choosing which trade-offs you can live with. Separate fear from information. We often mistake high anxiety for actual insight, assuming that because a choice feels scary, it must be dangerous. It usually isn't. To find clarity, audit your decision. Separate the observable facts from your imagined what-ifs. Fear is an alert, not a leader. When you isolate the data, the path becomes clear. Shrink the decision. We treat big decisions like life sentences, but most choices are reversible. You don't need to map out your entire future. You just need to decide the next step. Instead of asking, "Is this forever?" ask, "What move lets me learn the most?" Action generates the data that thinking never will. Move first, then adjust. Use the regret test. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Which regret would hurt more? Regretting that you tried and it didn't work, or regretting that you never tried at all? This question bypasses perfectionism and goes straight to values. Often, the pain we fear most is not failure, but stagnation. Let that guide you. Limit how long you think. Overthinking doesn't always improve decisions. It often becomes rumination that drains energy without clarity. Setting a clear deadline forces action. Think deeply for a fixed time, then choose. Deadlines don't remove fear, but they stop endless delay and turn thought into movement. Remember, you can decide again. Many people freeze believing one decision defines them, but life is a series of revisions. You're allowed to change your mind, outgrow past choices, and adjust course. Good decision makers aren't those who always choose correctly, but those who adapt intelligently when reality changes. Decisions are uncomfortable because uncertainty is unavoidable. No choice removes all risk or guarantees happiness, but avoiding decisions guarantees stagnation. Growth comes from action, not perfect clarity. Each decision shapes who you become. You don't need flawless choices, only honest ones, followed by awareness and adaptability. Decisions change your life simply because you make them and move forward despite not knowing everything.